If you have videos encoded with the HEVC or H.265 codec, which most modern phones and cameras use, you might notice they don't play on your computer. That's usually because your system doesn't have the proper codec installed. So, in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to play HEVC videos on your PC. Okay, first things first, let's start with the easiest method. To install the codec on your computer, go to the link in the description. From there, download the version that matches your system. If you're on Windows 10 or 11, you can simply click the link I provided and download it directly. Once it's downloaded, run the setup file and click install. I already have it installed, so mine says reinstall, but for you, the installation will start right away, and after that, you'll be able to play H.265 videos without any issues. There's also another option. You can use a different video player. For example, VLC Player is a free media player that can open HEVC videos right out of the box. Let me know in the comments if any of these methods worked for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Have a great day.